the drone that swims, films, and even land in the water, like it made for swim. So this is waterproof flying camera designed for effortless water takeoffs and landing. Till now, this drone has raised more than $1.4 million through crowdfunding, which makes them one of the most successful launch in the company's history. So today I interact you with the HoverAir AQUA, the world's first 100% waterproof self-flying camera designed for water activities and built for creators, athletes and innovations. So it offers a hand-free and pilot-free aerial video experience which captures a stunning third-person shots with ease. And HoverAir AQUA builds on a foundation led by the previous successful models like X1 Follow Me drone, the Action Flying Camera or the X1 Pro Max. Each of these models are introduced incremental upgrades, but AQUA has carved out a unique niche. While most other consumers are shy away from water, the AQUA is designed to float naturally and is capable of direct water takeoffs because it is lightweight, the consumer ready flying camera, and the company also says user wouldn't need to worry about the splashes of water, waves or wet landing because the company specially made it for swimmers and adventurers who spend more time in water than on land. And AQUA comes with its companion device, the Lighthouse Wearable Controller. Basically, it offers a full control over AQUA like takeoffs, landing, recording and mode selections. It also has a Virtual Tether to detect when AQUA moves beyond the set distance, and it automatically prompts it to return back to its original position so that the AQUA cannot go beyond the set distance. So you need not to worry about the technical skills. You launch the drone from water also. Just select the mode on a device and press the lighthouse button. It will capture cinematic shots automatically. So this convenience eliminates the stress of piloting. So now come on to the technical side that AQUA offers. It captures a 4K video at 100 fps with 12 megapixel SDR camera for sharp and detailed images. For the hydrophobic lens, it also includes self-heating technology to prevent fogging in water. And AQUA also features a 1.6 inches AMOLED display for live preview and quick footage without connecting to the mobile device. And it is go up to 23 minutes of flight time on a single charge and has maximum speed of 55 kilometers per hour, which keeps you very fast on the surface of water, and has millimeter wave radar technology which helps to maintain the stability over the splashy water surface where many drones are struggle. And this drone will go up to the maximum altitude of 5500 meters, which is around 18,000 feet from the sea level, and it also has transmission range with up to 1 kilometers when this device paired with the lighthouse controller. And the company also offers a 15 plus automated flight mode, which makes them interesting and captivating. But in the end, the question raises why company choose to design a non-foldable frame. While most consumer drones today emphasize on portability through foldable frame, but AQUA deliberately avoid that route because the reason is waterproofing. A foldable frame could create a weak points prone to leak or structural issues which would compromise the drone's reliability on water. And while staying non-foldable frame, AQUA gains more stability, durability and ability to capture unique shot. So if you are onto the outdoor adventure or want something cooler than a regular GoPro, so you check out the HoverAir AQUA. I dropped a link in the description, and if you want to see more specs and pricing, so you definitely go through this link. And if you enjoyed this detailed look of this drone, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos.